Now, something which is very new to the Hyderabad is the entertainment center which we have come up with, where we are having rest 25,000 square foot of area of completely new level of gaming, which we've got complete console gaming, which is very new to Hyderabad. We have totally 70 console gaming, where we've got 10 Xboxes, 10 PS3s, and 10 Nintendo Wii's, and 30 we've got PC gaming. All put together, we've got 70 different varieties of gaming, which is very new to Hyderabad, where people are really having a lot of fun, which is completely new level of gaming. And we've got 8 Mbps lease line. The best part about this gaming thing is, which is also, we claim ourselves as India's largest console gaming area, because we've got a 8 Mbps lease line where almost 10 people can play together one game. To name a few, we've got Halo and Dota or Counter-Strike. So these games can be completely played like multiple players, and whereas when you come to games where these kind of games, when you play it at home, it is very difficult for you can only play 2 players. So when it comes to places like these, you can get along your friends like 8 or 10 or 15 people, still you can have so much of fun. So this is something which is very unique and very new kind of gaming which we have introduced to Hyderabad, and definitely we didn't want to miss on our kids below 5 years. So for them, we've got a different section of arcade gaming, which is completely kiddie rides and different games which kids also can enjoy. So that we have made sure right from 3 years old kid till 60-year-old people can come here and have fun. That is the whole idea behind this concept. So this is completely a new way of gaming, and along with this, the next level, we've got something very new. This is something very new to Hyderabad, where we've got in association with Cubica AMF. It's a 5-lane glow bowling alley, which has got different ambience which we can be created with 3 to 4 level of ambiences, where we've got a UV lighting, where it's a completely UV lit, you can play bowling. So this is something very new, all brand new lanes, which along with Extreme Sports Bar. Now this is Extreme Sports Bar is completely a new type of sports bar, where it's there in 3-4 locations. But whereas in this location, we have emphasized on completely with a new look and new varieties of games which we have introduced, where we've also got golf, which is a virtual golf, which you can literally kind of it's as good as playing in any of the golf locations anywhere throughout the world. So here you can come, even a new player who is not even any time played golf, he can actually start practicing it here. It's as good as going to a driving range. So that is the kind of variety of games what we have introduced.